Okay, so here's a quick question for you. Are you a musician or a singer-songwriter who is really creative and always coming up with great ideas, but is struggling to get these ideas out of your head into the real world? And would you say that music technology is a little confusing to you and you're overwhelmed by the various audio software solutions out there on the market? Well, I've created a course to help you get up and running creating your own music using one of the best software solutions on the market in just over 6 hours. This course has been designed for musicians and singer-songwriters alike who are new to music production, learn how to compose and produce music using Ableton Live. My name is Ishan Kadaru, aka Push for Life, and I am a musician, producer, artist, and online educator. Over the past 20 years, I've worked with numerous Grammy Award-winning artists, and I've helped thousands of people online with my tutorials. Recently, professional musicians and vocalists have been reaching out to me to help them learn Ableton Live, one, because they'd like to create their own music, and two, they're starting to realize that the skill set of the modern musician is starting to expand. Not only are you expected to be a great instrumentalist or vocalist, but you're also expected to have at least a working knowledge of various music technologies such as Ableton Live. And that is because we live in what I would call the golden age of music technology, where we have access to all of these amazing tools at the fraction of the cost of what they used to be. This has opened up many unexpected opportunities, but has also led to many unforeseen new tasks that we creators have to master. Which brings me to this course. Recently, I was contacted by Cirque du Soleil to train one of their new up-and-coming musical directors for one of their new shows. After I finished training him, I decided to take the first part of this course, which deals with learning the basic options and tools of Ableton Live, and build it out into a standalone course which could help other musicians and vocalists learn the basics of Ableton Live to get them up and running, composing and producing music. And the results of these efforts are now available in my latest course, Composing and Producing in Ableton Live for Newcomers. It presents you with a defined path through Ableton Live and provides a fundamental step-by-step workflow to help you get accustomed to all of Ableton's major tools for composing and producing music. In the process of creating this course, I ended up boiling down 20 years worth of experience down into basically just 4 steps. 1 is gathering ideas, 2 is arranging those ideas, 3 is refining those ideas, and the last step, number 4, is sharing those ideas. So let's briefly go over each of these steps. Gathering ideas consists of starting off with either an emotion or an idea that you would like to explore and coming up with various sonic sketches on different instruments that express this idea. Once you've gathered enough of these sketches, the second step consists of arranging these ideas into a sonic narrative, so to speak, with a beginning, middle, and end. In other words, a song structure which will take the audience on a journey. When the basic arrangement has been created, the third step is all about refining this arrangement into the best possible version it can be. And finally, the fourth step is all about polishing it up and getting it ready to share with your audience by first creating a basic mix and second of all, exporting it into its final shareable form. And that's it. If you feel like this course is for you, it is available right now. Upon signing up, you'll receive over 6 hours of content where I go over essential skills and strategies which will help you gather, arrange, refine, and share all of your tracks using Ableton Live. And all the content is available for download and also for streaming. Now, something that's really important to note is who this course is not made for. People who are looking to learn how to create chord progressions, write melodies, create beats, basically stuff that has to do with music theory, that is not included in this course. Also, people who are looking to learn every single aspect of Ableton Live, such as every instrument, every effect, every MIDI effect, Master Live, everything that's included with Ableton, that will not be covered in this course. The primary objective of this course is to get you comfortable using Ableton's main tools. This course is primarily for musicians and singer-songwriters who already have ideas that they would like to record or who enjoy the process of experimenting with either various instruments and effects or even loops to come up with their own ideas. If that describes you, then you will get a lot out of this course. Now let's get down to business. The fact that you are still watching this video means that a part of you really longs to make your own music, and you probably wished that you had started a long time ago, but for whatever reason that is not the case. The good news is, the second best time you could start to create your own music rather than way back in the past is right now. If you end up putting off your decision and not committing now, either here or somewhere else, somewhere down the line, I think you're going to regret your decision for not having committed, especially during these times of lockdown with all of this coronavirus stuff. So really seriously think about it, and if you are serious about it, now's the time to do it. You really don't have any time left to lose. And having said that, I too have no time left to lose. I've got to get back to work. So thank you so much for watching this short video. If you have any questions whatsoever, hit me up on my personal email address, info@pushforlife.eu. Other than that, I dare you to commit to your dream right now, either here or somewhere else, whatever works for you. If you do decide to sign up for this course, I look forward to sharing my insights with you and teaching you how to compose and produce in Ableton Live. All the best for now, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side where we can pursue this dream of making music together. All the best, take care, peace.